Hello guys, good morning to all of you. This is Magiraj here, and now we are going to get discuss about the PN junction diode. So, what is PN junction diode? So here, P of Si, okay, wafer, some P of Si wafer converts into NSi by doping. ओके यानी हमने क्या किया कि कोई थिन पी टाइप ऑफ सिलिकॉन वेफर थी, इसको हमने डोपिंग के थ्रू कुछ पार्ट इसका NSi में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. ओके एंड इट्स PN and PM, all the regions attached to the metallic contact. Okay, so just like this, here let me consider it's a PSI wafer, a thin wafer is converts into some parts of this PSI into NSi by the doping, and here P part, N part and PN part also attached to the metallic contact, just like this. So here this is the metallic contact, and you know this is P region and this is N region, and you know that in the P region excessness of holes, so in this region majority of the holes, okay, excessness ऑफ H होल्स. इसी तरीके से इस रीजन पे एक्सेसनेस होगी किसकी? इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की. ये है एक्सेसनेस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. एन रीजन में एक्सेसनेस होगी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की. ओके, तो देखिएगा. सो अगेन its PSI, thin PSI wafer converts into some part just like NSI wafer and by the highly doping. Okay, and here P region, N region and PN region also maintained by the metallic contact. Okay, in the P region excessness, write down, in the P region excessness of holes, and in the N region excessness of electron or majority of the electron. Okay, but due to the concentration gradient, due to concentration gradient, E and H transmitted to each other side. अब कंसंट्रेशन ग्रेडियंट की वजह से इलेक्ट्रॉन और होल्स का ट्रांसमिशन होगा. तो कैसे होगा? ये होल्स इधर जाएंगे, ओके, और ये इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इधर की तरफ आएंगे ऐसे. तो ये इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आ गए और यहाँ पर ये होल्स पहुंच गए. तो जैसे ये इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इधर को आएंगे तो इलेक्ट्रॉन नेगेटिव होता है, तो जब ये आ जाएगा तो यहाँ सरफेस पर क्या करेगा कि कुछ क्या पॉजिटिव स्पेस चार्ज ड्रॉप करेगा अपनी सरफेस पर ऐसे, और होल्स जो थे वो पॉजिटिव होते हैं तो ये अपने सरफेस पर नेगेटिव स्पेस चार्ज ड्रॉप करेंगे. ओके, सो यू नो this is the so here due to the concentration gradient, electrons and holes transmitted to each other side. So in the P region excessness of holes or majority of holes which transmitted towards P to N, and electron transmitted from N to P. So electron transmitted from N to P and holes transmitted from P to N. इस तरीके से इनका ट्रांसमिशन होगा और इस प्रोसेस में, इन दिस प्रोसेस अप्रोक्सीमेटली 98% इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड होल्स ट्रांसमिटेड from each other side and only 2% electron and holes remains left. So in this process here formed two basically main two condition, basically formed two condition. First one is diffusion and second one is drift. Okay, ये दो कंडीशन खासकर होती है। तो जैसे इलेक्ट्रॉन और होल्स का ट्रांसमिशन होगा सो डिफ्यूजन करंट क्या होगा, इट मींस यहाँ पर कुछ डिफ्यूजन करंट का डेवलपमेंट हो गया, यानी इट मींस इलेक्ट्रॉन और होल्स का डिफ्यूजन हुआ, इस वजह से डिफ्यूजन करंट डेवलप थी। यानी इनिशियली डिफ्यूजन करंट मैक्सिमम वैल्यू थी और ड्रिफ्ट क्या थी, मिनिमम थी। बट एज वेल एज इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड होल्स ट्रांसमिटेड टुवर्ड्स ईच अदर साइड एंड अप्रॉक्सिमेट 98% इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड होल्स transmitted from P to N and N to P, then the diffusion current decreases gradually and drift will increases continuously. So initially here formed two conditions and diffusion and drift. So here electron transmitted from N to P and holes transmitted from P to N, and in this process initially this condition diffusion of electron and holes start from each other side. Okay, and in this process approximately 98% electron and holes transmitted towards each other side. Okay, and whenever electron transmitted from N to P, then it leave a positive space charge. This is positive space charge. Okay, space charge, and this is negative space charge. So due to positive and negative space charge, here create a layer that is known as depletion layer. It is known as depletion layer, and its order is 10 power minus 2 centimeter to the 10 power minus 6 centimeter. 10 power minus 2 to 10 power minus 6 मीटर ऑर्डर की ये थिकनेस होती है इसकी डिप्लेशन लेयर की, एंड सच पोटेंशियल डेवलप इन दिस रीजन दैट इज नोन एज पोटेंशियल बैरियर, एंड इट्स रेंज इज 0.3 to 0.7 वोल्ट और एवरेज पोटेंशियल जो होता है दैट इज 0.5 वोल्ट ये होता है, दैट इज नोन एज पोटेंशियल बैरियर। इसे क्या बोलते हैं, पोटेंशियल बैरियर बोलते हैं, और इसकी ऑर्डर जो होती है वो 0.5 वोल्ट होता है। ओके, सो इन दिस वे this is known as the depletion layer and this is known as potential barrier. Initially the diffusion current is maximum and drift current is minimum, but whenever these transmitted approximately 98% and here produce an electric field that is attached positive to negative, just like this. This is the electric field which attached from N to P. So initially diffusion current maximum and drift is minimum, but as well as the diffusion of electron and holes be possible, and approximately 98% E and S transmitted from each other side, then diffusion decreases gradually and drift increases continuously, and such a condition come whenever diffusion current and drift current both are equal and opposite, then resultant will be zero. It means resultant current will be zero and formed equilibrium condition and then create the p-n junction diode. Okay, so again repeat, देखिएगा, initially a thin PSI wafer converts into a small parts of PSI into the NSI wafer. and by the doping of impurities. Okay, and here you know that in the p region majority of the holes and in the n region majority of the electrons. So due to the concentration gradient, electron and holes transmitted towards each other side, ये एक दूसरे की तरफ ट्रांसमिट करना स्टार्ट करेंगे. So here found basically two condition, diffusion and drift. ओके, डिफ्यूजन क्या होता है कि जैसे एक दूसरे की तरफ स्टार्ट किया तो डिफ्यूजन हुआ, और ड्रिफ्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के मोमेंट की वजह से ड्रिफ्ट करंट होगी. सो हियर बेसिकली फाउंड टू कंडीशन, डिफ्यूजन एंड ड्रिफ्ट, as well as the moment start of electron and holes. So electron moves from n to p region and holes from p to n region. Okay, so in this process maximum 98% electron and holes transmitted towards each other side. So initially diffusion current be maximum, okay, and drift is minimum. So as well as these electrons and hole transmitted, then electron leaves a positive space charge and holes leave a negative space charge. So due to the space charge, due to the both space charge, a layer is developed that is known as depletion layer, and its order is 10 power minus 2 to 10 power minus 6 meter. And such a potential developed in this region that is known as potential barrier. Its range is 0.3 to 0.7 volt and its average value is 0.5 volt. Okay, so this is known as potential barrier, and this thickness is known as depletion layer. Its order is this and denoted by W. So initially diffusion current is max and drift is minimum, but whenever the electron and holes transmitted each other side and produce a strong electric field from N to P, then the drift current increases continuously and diffusion current will be increased, and both are opposite directions. So whenever such a condition come, whenever diffusion current and drift current will be equal and opposite direction, then resultant current will be zero. Okay, so resultant current हो जाएगी I diffusion minus I drift, और ये हो जाएगी zero. So then formed equilibrium condition and formed PN junction diode. Okay, so ये प्रोसेस होता है PN junction diode में. एक बार और रिपीट कर दे रहा हूँ मैं यहाँ पर. PN junction diode are small parts of a thin PSI wafer converts into the NSI wafer. Okay, and you know that in the P region majority of the hole and N region majority of the electron, and due to the concentration gradient electron and holes be diffused from each other side. So initially here basically formed two condition, diffusion and drift. Initially diffusion current is max and drift is minimum. So whenever the electron and holes transmitted to each other side, so approximately 98% E and S transmitted to each other side and produced a strong electric field that is capital E, which align towards the N to P. And in this process electron leaves a positive space charge and holes leave a negative space charge. So due to the space charge, a layer is developed that is known as depletion layer. It is denoted by W and its order is 10 power minus 2 10 power minus 6 meter, and such a potential is developed in this depletion layer that is known as potential barrier, and its range is 0.3 to 0.7 volt and its average potential is 0.5 volt. Initially diffusion is max and drift is minimum, but and both are in opposite direction. So initially as well as electron and holes transmitted towards each other side, so diffusion be decreases gradually and drift be increases continuously, and such a condition when diffusion and drift current be equal and opposite, then formed the equilibrium position and resultant current becomes zero and formed PN junction diode. So it is denoted like this, PN junction diode, whose symbol is denoted like this, is PN junction diode P and it also draw like this PM. Okay, so it is the symbol, and the potential barrier, that is V naught. It is the potential barrier. Okay, so this is the symbol of PN junction diode, and this is the symbol of potential barrier, and this is the region. Okay,